You guys have to pinky promise me right now, though, you're not going to be upset with me. I scratched up the weight pretty bad. I don't know if the Wendy's ever going to run again. Honestly, not sure. But we're doing black cherry pies today. We have some TX stabs, really hoping these perform well. And then we have the Wendy. My IM, I'm using Campfire Andromedas. We have some PCBs, the aluminum plates. This is such a pretty bag. This is very aesthetic right now, and I appreciate this. This is like bag on the desk here. I don't know why it's so aesthetic right now. Wait, this blue is really blue. I have the pink one. This is really blue. I think the owner of this got a separate badge. They didn't say what badge they wanted inside, but I kind of like the silver badge. Cool. And then on the back should be, oh, he got the brass weight. Oh, this is a pretty board. I prefer this. It's not that I don't like PVD'd or shinied weights. I prefer having the brass. Much prefer having this. Yeah, this is a very bright blue. I'll show you guys from the side as well. It is very bright. I think our man Gregory would look good. Huh? What? Nice though. Very, very nice. Now, there's 2 plates I believe that this client got. And this is win keyless, so we already know what to do here. Cool. Let me start, I guess, assembling things. There's no difference between these plates, right? Do you prefer the brass weight for aesthetics or for the sound? For aesthetics. You guys, okay, don't be, do I have it here? I don't have it. Oh yeah, okay, don't be mad at me. You guys have to pinky promise me right now, though, you're not going to be upset with me. All right? Like, I need a pinky promise. Okay, so I was taking pictures of my Wendy. All right? I was taking pictures of it. And because I do stupid shit with my keyboards while I was taking photos of it, and this doesn't stand nicely like this, it'll tip over. It dropped, and I scratched up the weight pretty bad. I mean, it's my board, it's fine, but I try to get creative with things, and that's also a reason. Like, none of the anode was scratched. Okay, when I say it dropped, let me be clear. It didn't drop from like a height. It literally just fell down. And underneath of it was, I have these like plastic squares that I use to prop up keyboards sometimes, and it scratched on the plastic square, which doesn't even have sharp edges. So this is why I prefer the brass stuff. Brass doesn't seem to have, and like when it does, like it just looks nice on the brass, it looks cool. On the PVD, it never looks cool. It doesn't look cool at all. That's the price we pay for creativity. It's kind of true though. I agree with that. Sometimes that is the price you pay. What keycap set should I use tonight? Gregory? What the? Still don't know what he meant though. Takes me a while to decipher what Tim's talking about sometimes too. My W1 came in a week early, perfect to build while watching the stream. Let's go, dude. We can simultaneously build today. Nice. Okay, let me make sure I soldered everything in. I seem to always miss something when I'm talking too much. No, I think we got everything. Again, I don't know if the client wanted the brass badge. I'm just gonna leave this badge for now. If they tell me to switch it, I will. What I've been doing is I've been actually getting rid of a lot of the GMK boxes because a lot of them have been falling apart. Okay, where I really still think this keyboard would shine is a polycarbonate plate. I really think the PC plate with TKLs and top mount is like a winning combination. But I think even with the aluminum, this is still great. Like, I still really like the alphas. The only mod I don't love is the backspace. It's a bit sharper. Feels a bit metallic-y. pretty good still. Top mount PC TKL Classic. Badge in the F13 spot is nice. Yeah, I don't know if the client wanted their brass badge or this silver badge, but the enter sounds good on this. I like the enter on this one. Board turned out pretty good today. Nice blue, ignore the shift. Really nice keyboard though. Really like, I've always been a big fan of the Wendy. It has a really nice side profile. Beautiful looking keyboard. That's why I have one too.